Hi, I'm Dora Michelle, and this is Makeup or Breakup Blog. And today I'm so excited to be reviewing an eyeshadow product that looked really interesting and different to me. And this is from the company called Julep Beauty. And this is their eyeshadow 101 eyeshadow. Yep. In this beautiful color. It looks like it's in a pen. So we're going to try it out and see. I don't know if I came across them on an Instagram dive. I could have. So I said, this is curious. Let me check it out. And I went to the store and I bought it. This is how lovely it looks. I don't know if I've had Julep on this channel before, but there's always a first time. Love the packaging. I don't know if I have to shake it or anything. I have no idea what I'm doing. Oh, it does say how to use it. Okay. All right, let's just dive in and see. Wait a minute. Okay, so it comes off like that. And it's a rounded tip. Look at that color. On camera, it appears like it's a bright electric blue, but this is actually, let me see if I can get this to, This is actually like a lavender. It's really, really pretty. And since I put an eye primer on, it doesn't have a scent, which is nice, but I'm gonna see how it looks on here. Has like a ball tip in a way, but it's like a crayon. Oh, it's gorgeous. I mean, I think the trend now is to have like smoked out eyes in a way, almost like grungy. Oh my God, that's gorgeous. It's appearing so pretty on camera. Like at first I'm tempted to apply it almost like a fat eyeliner, starting at the base, you know, like right here where the eye. Look at that. Oh, it's so pretty. Now I want more colors. They had other colors, but I wanted to choose a color that normally is not a color that I have on my eyes. Oh my gosh, look at that. Whoa. And it's like a part of me feels tempted to just also sort of wash it into my, you know, my eyeball here, like right up. And it comes off really pale, but then it has like more dimension at the eyelid, you know, at where the lash starts. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. So, what do you think? I am absolutely loving this Julep eyeshadow in a stick. That's why I'm calling it eyeshadow in a stick. Cream Dream in a stick. What is it like? What do you think? Have you tried it yet? Let me know in the comments below. And if you haven't done so already, hit that like button, and even better, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you will know my next video will be up. Thank you so much for joining me on my latest makeup adventure, and I hope to see you on my next one. Take care. Stay safe. Bye.